What if one seemingly small habit is silently sabotaging your potential, holding you back from the life you truly desire? We're uncovering a pervasive mistake, one that almost everyone makes, quietly ruining lives. It's a subtle thief of time and opportunity, often disguised as harmless delay. But its impact is profound. The mistake? It's the illusion of future time, leading to the insidious trap of procrastination. We tell ourselves, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "I have plenty of time." But tomorrow often never comes for important tasks. This manifests in daily life, delaying health goals, postponing difficult conversations, or putting off crucial projects. These small delays accumulate, creating a mountain of missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. Let's explore the silent sabotage. In your career, procrastination hinders growth, leading to missed deadlines and unfulfilled ambitions. For your health and well-being, it means neglected self-care, stress from last-minute rushes, and a toll on mental health. In relationships, delaying communication or addressing issues can strain personal connections, creating distance. And for personal growth, it leads to the stagnation of skills, learning, and overall self-improvement. The weight of these unaddressed tasks and missed opportunities can become a heavy burden, leading to regret. Why do we do it? Psychologically, it's often fear of failure, fear of success, or even perfectionism. Sometimes it's a lack of motivation, or tasks simply feel too overwhelming to begin. It's a common human tendency, not a personal failing, but it is one that can absolutely be overcome. The path to overcoming begins with actionable strategies. First, break it down. Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Or divide large tasks into tiny steps. Next, prioritize. Identify truly important tasks versus urgent but less significant ones. Set deadlines, even artificial ones, and create accountability. Share your goals with someone. Implement a reward system. Positive reinforcement for completing tasks can be incredibly motivating. Finally, shift your mindset. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small step forward counts. It's time to address this mistake now. Don't let another day slip by. Identify one area where you can start taking action today. Take control of your time, your goals, and your life. Your future self will thank you. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal growth.